Okay, everybody. Today's science slideshow is all about spring. Spring is sprung. In cold climates like ours, how do plants and animals know when to wake up? Maybe you think you already have an answer, and that's great. You have an active mind. How do you think black bears in Minnesota know when to come out of their winter dens? This picture is not entirely accurate. That's not where bears sleep in the winter. Fun fact, black bears don't truly hibernate. They're in a state of torpor, Torpor, which means they're in a deep sleep, but they can wake up if they need to go out and use the bathroom, for example. So they're not a true hibernator like a frog in Minnesota is. How do seeds know that it is time to germinate or sprout? How do birds know that it is time to fly back north? Do they look at a calendar? I don't think so. What wakes frogs up in the spring? And they are truly hibernating in the winter. Another fun fact about frogs and some other hibernators, they have antifreeze in their bloodstream, ethylene glycol, and it keeps them from freezing. So I used to think that when frogs hibernate, they're frozen solid, like hard as a rock. But no, they're actually soft and pliable. That means you could like move their little arms a little bit because of that antifreeze that's in their blood. But what wakes them up in the spring? This guy, you probably already predicted that that was the answer. Warmth. The sun is out in the winter sometimes here in Minnesota, but it's cold out. So when it starts to warm up, when the earth tilts a little bit more toward the sun, like we learned about when we were talking about the solar system, it warms up, and that's the clue for plants and animals and fungi and bacteria that it's time to get busy again. Okay, here comes the question. Here's a mother black bear and her two cubs. As an animal comes out of hibernation, it is slow and groggy, kind of like you in the morning. Once it wakes up a bit more, it has to take care of some physical needs. I want you to imagine that you are a mother black bear just coming out of her winter sleep. You have two cubs with you as well. What are some things you would be doing and looking for on that first day out? Please post your answer on Seesaw, 2 paragraphs, written, audio, or video. Thank you and have a great day.